Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your Google Ads quality score for your ad. First, log into your Google Ads account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Campaigns, then select Ads. Here, you'll see a list of all your ads. Find the ad you want to improve and click the Edit icon. This will take you to the ad setup page, where you'll notice the ad strength indicator. In this example, it's showing as poor. This is just a sample campaign, but the same steps apply to live campaigns as well. To increase your ad strength, you'll see 4 main suggestions. The first one is add more headlines. So let's start by adding a few. Since this ad is for a game boosting website, I'll type headlines like boosting services, cheap game boosting, and best service for gamers. You'll also notice that Google gives headline ideas which you can use or modify based on your campaign. Once you've added enough headlines, the first recommendation should be checked off. Now, these are just examples, but when you're creating your own campaign, make sure to write relevant and clear headlines that match your service or product. Google uses multiple headlines to find the best performing combinations, so more variety gives better results. Next, the second tip is to include popular keywords in your headlines. You'll see a list of keywords already added to your campaign. Use these directly in your headlines so they align with your targeted search terms. If a headline is too long, shorten it slightly while keeping the main keyword intact. Once the keywords are added correctly, this section should also be marked as complete. At this point, you might see your ad strength improve from poor to average. To push it further, move to the next suggestion. Make your headlines more unique. Avoid repeating the same message. Add variety, use different styles, benefits, or offers. Then, the fourth suggestion is to make your descriptions more unique. Scroll down to the description area and add a few lines that clearly describe what your ad offers. Focus on clarity, benefits, and call to action phrases like get started today or learn more. Once your descriptions are complete and all suggestions are ticked off, your ad strength should move to good or excellent. If it's still not perfect, you'll see a list of remaining improvement tips under the ad strength meter. You can also enhance your ad by adding a business name, logo, site links, and additional assets. These help Google display your ad more effectively and improve overall performance. Just remember, you'll need to verify your Google Ads account to unlock some of these features, and that's all you need to do to improve your Google Ads quality score and boost your ad strength. If this video helped, make sure to like it, and thanks for watching.